This a motivational story. Dreams to big stars. The story of Lily the baker. Lily was a small girl with big bright eyes and a tummy that always rumbled for something yummy. She lived in a cozy little house with her mom, and her favorite thing in the whole world was baking. Not big cakes or fancy pies, but simple sweet cookies. Every Saturday, Lily and her mom would bake together. They'd mix flour and sugar, crack eggs, and add little bits of chocolate or sprinkles. Lily loved the way the kitchen smelled, like warm sugar and happy times. She dreamed of one day having her own bakery, a place where everyone could come and enjoy her cookies. But Lily was shy. She didn't think her cookies were special. "They're just plain cookies," she'd say. Her mom would smile and say, "Lily, your cookies are made with love. That's what makes them special." One day, the town was having a big fair. There were games, music, and lots of food. Lily's mom suggested they enter the baking contest. Lily's heart thumped. "Me? In a contest?" she asked, her voice small. Her mom nodded. "You'll have to share your wonderful cookies, Lily. Let others taste the love you put into them." Lily was scared, but she decided to try. She baked her best batch of chocolate chip cookies, carefully placing them on a plate. She even added a few extra sprinkles just for fun. At the fair, there were many amazing cakes and pies. Lily's cookies looked very simple next to them. She felt her face getting red. But she placed her plate on the table and waited. People started to taste the entries. They tried the fancy cakes and the colorful pies. Then someone picked up one of Lily's cookies. They said, their eyes widening. "These are amazing." Soon, everyone was trying Lily's cookies. They loved the warm, sweet taste and the little bits of chocolate. They said they tasted like home. When the judges announced the winners, Lily couldn't believe her ears. "And the winner of the baking contest is Lily!" Lily's eyes filled with happy tears. She went up to the stage and accepted her ribbon. She was so proud. After the fair, people started asking Lily to bake cookies for their parties and birthdays. She started a small stand at the town market. People lined up to buy her cookies. Lily's little dream was becoming a big star. She learned that even simple things, when made with love, can be very special. She also learned that being shy shouldn't stop you from sharing your talents with the world. And most importantly, she learned that cookies made with love taste the best. So remember, even if your dreams seem small, they can grow into something amazing. Just like Lily, you can reach for the stars.